Okay, we did the video not too long ago making this shooting board, and I absolutely love this. But after seeing Rex's video and trying this out, there's a few things that I want to change. And I've changed those in the plans, but I actually want to do it. I love this angled fence. This is phenomenal. I love this track, but the track needs to be a little longer if I'm going to be using a dedicated shooting plane. Also, I love Rex's idea of the magnetic piece on here. So we're going to make one that's just like the best of the best. But that means we've got to remake this thing. Let's take it apart. Come out. 2, 3, 4. Actually, that can stay. See, because that's through there and that's there, and I need to get this out. I've got a replacement for that. If only I had a really, really big screwdriver. Did I glue these together? Okay, let's do this again. There. It's pretty close. Let's make you. Yeah, smack in the middle of that, smack in the middle of that. I like it. One. Yeah, those are brass shavings. You can shave brass with a card scraper. Just like that. There we go. There we go. Let's glue you down. It's not quite what I want. There we go. That is really close. Gotta drop it just a hair. There it goes. The struggle is real, folks. Come on. Oh, almost had it. Why did I have to cut my nails yesterday? There we go. Don't let it slide off the bench. Let's lock that in there. Cool, you're good on there. That's where I want to cut it there. I want to cut it here. If only I had a shooting board to clean. Oh, I love these shavings. Perfect end grain mahogany. Why is it? Come off. Plastic wrap. Glue that down in place. Let it be. Let it be. Comes right off. So now, when we have it in storage, we can just go like that. Just holds it right there. Planet of gravity. So there you have it, a new shooting board. Yes, I know. What, about 5-6 years ago I made this one. Works phenomenally, is exactly what I want. I have videos on that. And then I thought, you know what, I want to make something a little bit better. So I made this one. This is a collaboration with Rex where I made this one and he made his. The two of us actually have plans where we're selling them together. So if you buy from him, you get my plans and his plans. You buy from me, you get my plans and his plans. And I'll leave a link to those down below. And in those plans, I made several modifications to this one that I wanted to do. And that is what this one is. It has this extra add-on that goes with Rex's. It's a little bit longer one. It works better with a shooting board plane. This is just all around a much, much better shooting board. This is the type of thing that I can see myself using this a lot. This one, I only used it when I had to. This one I liked using, but it was a bit big and clumsy because it's extra wide. This one is exactly what I want, and with a dedicated shooting board plane, this is heaven. Absolutely, absolutely love it. So if you can't tell, I'm very excited and you'll be seeing this a lot more. This is exactly what I want, finally. So I do want to say thank you to everyone watching the channel, everyone who has hit like, commenting, subscribing. Really, that does help out the channel, the analytics on YouTube, and keeping these videos coming. Thank you for that. Also, everyone scrolling over on the side who is a patron on Patreon or members here on the channel, people who've clicked that join button. Thank you. We did actually do a live video so that people could be watching us building in the shop, and I do that for patrons and members. So if you want to have access to that, become a patron or a member, and I'll leave links to those down below, or you can click the little join button. So thanks to everyone for that and keeping the lights on. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. If I were to take this out to the range and shoot it with a gun, it would be a shooting board. But that bullet would also put a hole through the board, and so it would be a shooting board.